In this video, you will learn the fastest way how to make $1,000 per week by utilizing one of the easiest strategies known to man to make money online today. Now, if this sounds fascinating to you, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, and let's head over to my computer screen so that I can show you what this is all about. Alright guys, so the website in question here is rev.com. So you want to open up any browser you have and head over to rev.com. Right now, as you can see here on my screen here, rev.com is a transcription service where people who need their audio or video, they will simply come here to get audios or video translated, right? And as you can see, they offer a human transcription, they offer English closed captions, and also global translated subtitles. Now, for the human transcription, guys, as you can see here, they said that this is done by professionals, and professionals are what you call freelancers, right? And this is somebody like you who are looking to make money online, and you will register as a freelancer and you will be doing these jobs. As you can see here, that they're charging $1.50 per minute for the human transcription and also closed caption. And for global translation subtitles, you can see they're charging anywhere between $5 to $12 per minute. That's pretty dope, right? The next thing I want to mention is that they are trusted by over 750,000 users worldwide. That's quite a lot, right? And their goal is to always provide up to 99% of accuracy. Right now, if you scroll down on the website here, guys, you will see where they're mentioning that if you want to become a freelancer, you can register with them. They have a community of over 70,000 freelancers that are getting paid every single week to provide caption, transcribe, and even subtitle to content. So that is pretty amazing. And to become a freelancer, all you have to do is just simply click become a freelancer here. It will take you to this page here. And I know that the first thing that stood out here is where it says we are currently not accepting application from my location. I will show you. Let me go ahead and click more and show you that in a moment. But the next thing I want to mention here is that you can create your own flexible schedule. That means that whenever you want to go and take a job, you can easily do so on your own time. They have hundreds of jobs, so you can easily pick up as much job as you can do. And I'm going to provide you with some easy tools that you can use to do a lot of the jobs very fast so that you can make your quickest $1,000. And as I said before, they pay you bi-weekly, and this is via PayPal. So you'll need a PayPal account. And these are the two types of jobs that they're offering here. For the transcription, you will listen to audios or videos and accurately type out what is being said. And I'm going to show you how you can easily utilize the power of AI to do this for you. And as you can see, the range pay right here is 30 cents to $1.10. Now for the caption, is basically you watch a video, you accurately type out what is being said, right? And their pay range is between 54 cents to $1.10. But as I said, I'm going to show you how to utilize the power of AI to get this done very, very fast. Now back to this now. I am currently not in a location where my application being accepted. Guys, if you look on this page here, you will see that the countries that they're currently accepting is Australia, Canada, Ireland, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, South Africa, United Kingdom, United States, except California due to regulation changes, right? However, you can utilize the power of VPN to change your location and to solve this problem if your country is not in the list. By the way, you need to be 18 years or older to participate in this. And to back up my advice about the use of VPN, if you head over to Google, you can see here that a use of VPN can allow you to bypass geo-blocking wherever you are. So this basically tells you right here and then that you can change your location, country or region by simply utilizing a VPN, right? So now you know that it doesn't matter where you are, you will be able to get accepted by the use of a VPN. For each of these jobs, I'm going to show you some tools that you can use in order to do these jobs very fast so that you can make the most money and make your first $1,000 very, very fast. Let's start by caption, right? As you see, you need to provide caption for videos, right? So what you want to do, you want to head over to this website here by the name of caption.ai. This is an AI website that allows you to do caption for videos. Now guys, on the tools here, you will see that they have a bunch of options. You want to select the option that says add subtitles, turn your audio into subtitles and caption. So if you go ahead and click on that guys, it will take you to this page here where you need to upload your file. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna log in here with a Gmail. Then it will ask me to upload my file, so I'm gonna simply go ahead and upload my file. I'm gonna select a quick video here, and this will load the video here into their editor. Now as you can see, I am uploading my video here, and my video is now uploaded into their system. Now once your video is uploaded guys, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on the video, and it will take you into the AI here. Now guys, as you can see right here, it has detected my language to be English, which is the spoken language, right? And if I would like to translate or put a caption of a different language than English, then I can come here and I can search for whichever language I want to. So what's gonna happen here is that my video will be playing in English, and then it will show me a different subtitle or a different caption of a different language. That is very cool if you have a video in English but you want to cater for a different audience and you want to show a different language. However, if you wanted to just proceed with English, so it shows English subtitles or English caption, all you have to do is click proceed. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simply show you an easy example by select a different language, right? So I'm currently living in Czech Republic, so I will go ahead and I will select Czech, right? And have a look at this guys. It is super cool that it will do the AI translation, but also you can do a AI dubbing. So what this is saying is that if my video is in English, I can do a doubling so that it's also speak in Czech. So not only will it show me a Czech subtitle, but it will do a dubbing of that same language that I want to do the caption in. How amazing is that? You have to check out this tool. However, I will only do it into the translation. So all I will do is just simply click on this, and then I will do AI translate to Czech. Now guys, as you can see, my AI translation is done. Now I can go in and I can do some customization. I can choose how I want my language to be shown. So I will just go ahead and choose this option. Let's leave it as that. So guys, as you can see right here, that the translation and the caption is done on the timeline here. So I'm gonna simply go ahead and play a small part of this so that you can see what it looks like. Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable the search suggestions on Bing. Right, so you want to go ahead and that's basically it, and you can always go ahead and move around it. So I'm gonna simply like move it somewhere so that you can see it much better. Let me continue play it. And this is very accurate because I know Czech, and I can tell you that the translation is very accurate to this different language. So that's pretty amazing. And as I said, you can always customize this more how you want. So that's pretty nice right here. Now once you're done, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click export and export that video, and then you will go ahead and you can upload the finishing product into the Rev account where you're doing the job for. And that's one way to it guys. Now the next way guys, if you don't want to use closed caption, there's another option that you can use. You can simply utilize application like CapCut. So in order to get CapCut guys, all you have to do is just simply go to google.com and type in CapCut, and you will go to the CapCut website, and then you can easily go to downloads, and you have the option to download for Windows or Mac, or if you want to do it on your mobile as well, you can do it. In my case, I'm going to work with the PC for now, so all you have to do is simply choose the option download for Windows, and you will be able to download the option. As you can see, I have the installer there, so all you have to do is just double click on this, install it, and you can do it. There's also the web application as well, so you can easily use the website online to do this work as well. But I strongly recommend, if you want to use CapCut, just simply download the one for Windows or Mac, install it, and then you can use it. Now I'm going to show you how it works. So you simply want to open up it and create a new project. Now once you do that, you want to go ahead and add your file. So I'm going to just simply drag a video clip here of the same video that I put inside the caption.ai, and I'm going to show you how to do the caption for this. So you simply want to go ahead, click on the video, and then you want to go over to text here on the top, and then here you will see auto caption. So all you have to do is simply click auto caption, select a language that you want. Basically the video is English, so I will just easily do create, and I will just allow it to create the caption of this video. And this is very fast. It will just take less than a minute to complete the caption of this video. Now here you can see right here that the caption is done and it is fully translated. Now if you want to modify this and style it, you can do it on the left hand side by click here in the fonts, and you can choose whichever font you want. You can always change the color as well if you wish, or you can also select some preset styles. You can also go ahead under animation here and you can play around with animation as you wish. You can also play around with the caption as well, and you can have it very nice. Now I'm going to just select one right here and I'm going to just somehow change the style. So let me go back to text here and I'm going to just modify the size a little bit. So here you have it, guys. All I will just do, go ahead and play it right now so that you can see a quick translation of how it is look when it's captioned. Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable the search fonts. See, very easy and very simple, and as you can see, it is completed with the entire video being captioned and translated, right? Now once you're done, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click export, select whichever resolution that you want, 4K or whichever, based on the requirement of the job that you are getting from Rev. Create a name, and then you can just simply do export. And on top of that, you can also export the audio as well if they so desire into MP3 or WAV or whichever. Then all you have to do is just simply click export, right? And then you will have your file ready to upload into rev.com. And this is the first way, guys, how to make your quickest $1,000. Now the next way is to do the transcription. Now how to do that, guys? Very easy. You want to head over to a website such as Happy Transcribe, right? Now this is a transcription and subtitle all-in-one platform that allows you to do that with the use of AI. Now if you scroll all the way down to the bottom here, guys, you will see that they have audio to text and also video to text. Now I'm going to open up both of them and show you how it basically works and how you can easily use this. So what you want to do, guys, you want to simply use the audio to text and the video to text to do this transcription job. So for example, the audio to text, as you can see here, it supports over 120 language and 45 different formats supported. Pretty amazing. And this is the best part about it. The first 10 minutes is free and it's unlimited, so there's no limit. So all you have to do is just simply pick the jobs that are less than 10 minutes or 10 minutes, and you can do this consistently and unlimited, right? So you can easily use this website to convert audio into text, and the same goes for video as well. If you go over to the video section on the website, you will see that you can convert video to text as well. If you scroll down here, you'll notice that 120 languages supported, and that it basically allows you to do up to 10 minutes for free, and there is no limits. Now guys, as you see right here, it mentioned that it does like an accuracy of 85%, which on Rev website they're asking for 99%. So all you have to do, just simply whenever it does translation for you or do conversion of text to video, so all you have to do, guys, just simply ensure that you do a proofread of whatever the AI converted for you, and to ensure that it is corrected and all is accurate. And that's all you have to do. And once this is done, you will be able to export into text, docs, PDF, or even HTML. But most of those jobs will ask for you to provide it into a text, docs, or PDF file, and then you have to just basically upload that once the job is done. And guys, that's all there is to it. You can utilize the use of Caption.ai, CapCut, and you can use Happy Transcribe and its tools to do transcription and caption jobs. And just do this consistently. You can put in a ton of work every single day and make over $1,000. And as you can see, guys, if you utilize this application that I shared to you, you can easily make $1,000 in less than a day. How amazing is that? Very fast, very simple, utilizing the power of CapCut, Caption.ai, and Happy Transcribe to do all of these tasks very, very fast. And there you have it, guys. This is one of the easiest side hustle that you can do right now to make $1,000 or more every single week. And for some, this can literally take over your 9-to-5 job. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start implementing this strategy to make your first $1,000 that could potentially change your life.